Welcome back to part 4 of our 6-part series on amazing solar system facts. Today we're diving into volcanic chaos, massive canyons, and a neighborhood so big it'll blow your mind. If you missed parts 1, 2, and 3, be sure to check them out. There's a ton of incredible discoveries waiting for you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on parts 5 and 6 of this cosmic journey. Ready? Let's jump in. Imagine this. Depending on how carefully you do the calculations and how you arrange them, all the planets in the solar system could fit between Earth and its moon. They just barely squeeze in between us and our closest companion in space, blocking out the sky with their rings and gas giant bulk as they did so. The moon is the farthest from Earth that we've ever sent humans, and it's both mind-bogglingly distant and incredibly close, depending on how you think about it. 8 enormous planets could fit between here and there, and yet the distance from Earth to the Sun is more than 390 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. Scientists use an approximation of the Earth to Sun distance, also known as 1 astronomical unit, or AU, to compare distances within the solar system. Jupiter is about 5.2 astronomical units from the Sun, and Neptune is 30.07 astronomical units from the Sun, or approximately 30 times as far from the star as Earth. But our solar system isn't just planets and moons. It's a neighborhood stretching nearly a light year across. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper belt, and even farther out, the Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy objects. It's like the solar system's distant suburbs, and we've barely begun to explore them. Feeling tiny yet? Io, one of Jupiter's moons, is the most volcanically active place in the solar system. Its surface is dotted with hundreds of volcanoes, some spewing lava hundreds of miles high. This chaos is caused by Jupiter's immense gravity, pulling and stretching Io's interior. Nestled in Jupiter's gravitational well and magnetic field, Io's insides tense up and relax as it orbits closer to and farther from the planet, generating enough energy for volcanic activity. Compared to Earth's peaceful moon, Io may come as a surprise. The Jovian moon sends plumes of sulfur up to 300 kilometers into its atmosphere. And according to NASA, Io's volcanoes emit 1 ton of gases and particles into the space near Jupiter each second. Scientists are still trying to figure out how heat spreads through Io's interior, making it difficult to predict where the volcanoes exist using scientific models alone. Io's eruptive nature makes it an intriguing and chaotic destination in our solar system. If you're into fire and brimstone, Io's your spot. Mars boasts the solar system's biggest canyon, Valles Marineris. Stretching over 4,000 kilometers, it's more than 10 times longer and 5 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. Valles Marineris escaped the notice of early Mars spacecraft and was finally spotted by the global mapping mission Mariner 9 in 1971. What a sight it was to miss. Valles Marineris could stretch from coast to coast of the entire United States. The lack of active plate tectonics on Mars makes it tough to figure out how the canyon formed. Some scientists think a chain of volcanoes on the other side of the planet, known as the Tharsis Ridge, which includes Olympus Mons, somehow bent the crust from the opposite side of Mars. This cataclysmic force activated cracks in the crust, vast amounts of subsurface water that emerged to carve away rock, and glaciers that crunched new pathways into the canyon system. Mars really knows how to make a statement, doesn't it? Did you know that solar telescopes regularly spot comets diving into the sun? These Sungrazer comets are pulled in by the sun's gravity, often disintegrating before our eyes. It's like a cosmic fireworks show, and we're lucky to witness it. Comets used to be the province of amateur astronomers, who spent night after night scouring the skies with telescopes. While some professional observatories also made discoveries while viewing comets, that began to change with the launch of the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, in 1995. Since then, SOHO has found more than 2,400 comets, which is a pretty productive side mission for a telescope meant to observe just the sun. These comets are nicknamed Sungrazers. Many amateurs still participate in the search for comets by picking them out from raw SOHO images. One of SOHO's most famous observations came when it watched the breakup of the bright comet Ison in 2013. It's truly amazing to see how these cosmic fireworks unfold. From Jupiter's volcanic moons to these fiery sungrazers, Part 4 has been packed with wonder. Join us in Part 5 as we explore shrinking storms and uncover hidden planets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Our journey through the solar system is only heating up,